A friend of mine earlier in the winter asked me what would the world be like for you without birds in it. And the idea was so upsetting, disturbing, apocalyptic. Almost immediately, though, I thought, what an amazing crisis to have to write about. And I started paying attention to the mass bird deaths that had been taking place. Was it fireworks, was it lightning that got them all confused, so 1,000 blackbirds drop out of the sky? Is this some kind of retribution from on high? In birds' fate lies human fate. And Follow the Birds came out of that. I've written work in the Gothic. I've written about the atomic bomb. I've written about divination, madness. But there's something about this particular crisis that I found especially unsettling as a writer. When I left the work table for the day, I found myself still disturbed. The novella begins with a question, like, what's with the robins here? They're late. Other questions start arising. Well, where are certain other birds? And what happened in this place where these birds came falling out of the sky? And why am I only seeing crows? Birds, for me, have always been kind of the freest of all creatures. To me, they kind of mirror the world just in and of themselves. Birds have a way of going quiet all of a sudden on you. There'll be a whole forest will just go quiet for no particular obvious reason. Thinking of, a world without birds would almost be like stripping out a color from the spectrum. And in this instance, it would be my favorite color. It'd be a hard world for me to negotiate.